of the case was assassinated on February 9, 2024 by masked men. Three suspects, Waqar, Basit and Rehan, were arrested based on surveillance footages, but their political affiliation were withheld. Families of the accused claimed political victimization, alleging they are framed due to opposition ties. And furthermore, the court acquitted the accused on March 27, 2025, dismissing the forensic evidence of murder, circumstantial evidences of political motive, witness testimonies and unreliable, and the prosecution argues that court ignored and clear sign of foul play and failed to consider the assassination of Ms. Salman obstruction of justice. Your Excellencies, now coming towards issue number one. Issue number one, whether the trial court erred in acquitting the accused.
Before you proceed with the issues, can you please satisfy how this court has the jurisdiction to entertain this appeal?
Much obliged, Your Excellencies. This honorable court has jurisdiction under section 472A of the CRPC. Much obliged, Your Excellencies. So coming toward issue number one. Issue number one, whether the trial court erred in acquitting the accused under section 302 and 120B of Pakistan Penal Code, despite forensic and circumstantial evidence of Ms. Ayman's death. Yes, Your Excellencies, the trial court erred in acquitting the accused.
Counsel, this case is maintainable under which section?
Under section 417(2)A of CRPC.
Can you just read out that section for us?
Yes, Your Excellency. Any person aggrieved by order of any court other than High Court can file appeal within 30 days.
Counsel, whether this was a complaint or an FIR, how the proceedings were initiated before trial court?
Kindly, can you rephrase your question?
Whether it was a complaint, direct complaint or an FIR, because as I heard in your statement of facts, you just mentioned that it was a complaint initiated before the trial court. So whether it was a complaint or an FIR, and do you know what is the difference between both of them?
Yes, Your Excellencies. When there is a cognizable offence, then there can be a FIR, and in complaint, then there is a non-cognizable offences. So, Your Excellencies, in murder, there was a murder of Miss Ayman. So, Miss Ayman was, and the accused of Miss Ayman was acquitted in that case. So, that case was appealed under section 417(2)A of the CRPC. If this honorable court satisfied, can I move forward?
Sure.
Much obliged, Your Excellencies. Your Excellencies, the counsel relies on following two submissions to prove the above assertion. Submission number one, the trial court has not properly gone through the evaluation of forensic and consideration of circumstantial evidences. Your Excellencies,
Counsel, how do you define the circumstantial evidence? And what is their evidentiary value?
much obliged, Your Excellencies. To answer this question, counsel relies on following case law. Your Excellencies, in case law of Pervez Khan vs. State, in Peshawar High Court convicted the accused based on the circumstantial evidences. So, Your Excellencies, circumstantial evidences are enough to prove.
What were the facts of that case that you just cited? And what were the number of judges in that bench?
Much obliged, Your Excellencies. In that case, the court convicted the accused based on the circumstantial evidences such as blood stain, earth, recovered impurities and forensic reports, Your Excellencies. In our present case, there are also forensic reports and as many other circumstantial evidences.
And how many judges were there? Is it a binding precedent?
Much obliged, Your Excellencies. Your Excellency, this is a persuasive by nature because it is a decision of High Court, Honorable High Court.
You may proceed.
Much obliged, Your Excellency.
Counsel, it's 417, perhaps. It's not 472. The section for appeal. Can you recheck from the book?
Yes, sir.